Right now, live on Top of the Pops, here comes Strawberry Switchblade.
Bringing binliners back into fashion. Well done, Strawberry Switchblade, number 5 this week.